Right now the lamb is winning. Hey, hey lamb.
She's using her left hand though.
Yeah, that's good. First we gotta get the... We want the lamb near the face, but probably not over the face. Oh,
Hey.
a little
Hey.
assist from mommy.
Hey, what did you do?
Alright, now try and get that left thumb in there. Oh, not the right ones to try. Well, right hand is... Nope, missed. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, here comes the thumb. The thumb was extended. That right hand keeps getting in the way. Come on, thumb. Oh, no. There's the thumb. There's it. Whoop. Okay, we'll come from the top this time. Whoop. I think it's in. I think it's in. Nope. Lost it. Okay. This is a struggle. Okay. Whoop. A little high. Right, there's the thumb. There's. Whoop. Nope. That's the nose. That's. Whoop. In the mouth. In the mouth. Whoop. Look out for the eyes. Look out for the eyes. Get a better angle. Yes. Yes, there you are, cutie. There you are. Alright. Okay. There we go. Alright. Sneak attack. Look out for the eyes. Oh. Come on. You can get this in. Alright. There we go. Oh, come from high. That's good. Watch that. No. Missed. Close. Alright, here we go again. No. Nope, that's a lamb. Oh no! That's not a thumb. Bonus points for taking it off her face. Ooh, that'll do.